Bacteria surface sampling can be used to assist with gray or black water Category 2 or 3 water events in a building due to flooding, toilet overflows, or plumbing leaks. These events may result in consequences such as building damage and human disease. Remediation responses to these types of events can depend on the conditions present in the building, with the possibility of pathogenic bacteria being present. In a Category 2 or 3 water event, testing for bacteria prior to remediation activities is important. It allows for assessment of affected materials and assists with determining the potential health risks. It also allows proper health and safety measures to be put into place. Additionally, sampling after remedial practices is required to ensure affected materials do not remain, all areas have been cleaned properly, and to diminish the chances for human exposure. Surface sampling for bacteria requires the collection of samples from areas that have come into contact with water that may be contaminated. Materials used to collect the samples includes sampling swabs and chain of custody. To begin sampling, you must first choose a surface and an area to sample. Measure a sample area of approximately 36 square inches prior to sampling. Take the sample swab, record the sample number, date, and location of the sample on the swab prior to sampling. Record the same information on the chain of custody. Remove the swab from its casing without touching the cotton applicator. Next, brush the swab multiple times over the surfaces that require sampling. Once completed, place the swab back into the casing. Repeat the above steps with a new swab if more than one sample is collected in additional areas. After all samples are collected, the chain of custody must be completed. On the chain of custody, record the project name and number and the laboratory analysis method required. Make sure that all samples collected have the sample number, sample location, sample date, and time recorded. Make sure the chain of custody has a relinquished signature prior to shipping the samples to the laboratory. Protect the samples from heat since the samples must be shipped on ice. For directions on how to complete a chain of custody, please refer to the AirMD chain of custody video.